Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to follow someone on TikTok. TikTok continues to be a dynamic platform for discovering and connecting with creators worldwide. Whether you are new to TikTok or looking to refine your skills, following others is a fundamental way to personalize your feed and stay updated with contents that interests you. First of all, launch the TikTok app open on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, go ahead and navigate through the For You page, find the person or the creator you want to follow. Once you find the person's content, click on the plus icon at the top right underneath their profile icon, and you will then be able to follow the person. You can also follow someone by using the search function. From the homepage, tap on the magnifying glass icon at the top right corner, and in the search bar, type in the username or the name of the person you are looking for. After you find their profile, tap on their profile and go to the Users tab at the top. Now, click on the follow button right next to their profile, and you will then be able to follow someone using the search function. After the follow is done, you can engage with their content by liking, commenting, or sharing their videos. That is how you can easily follow someone on TikTok. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.